Hey everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to normalize audio in Audacity. This is one of the quickest ways to balance your volume and make your recording sound more even and professional. First, open Audacity and load the audio you want to fix. Go to File, then Import, then Audio, or just drag your file straight into the workspace. Next, click anywhere in the track and select the full audio. You can use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to quickly select everything. Now go to the Effect menu and choose Normalize. This tool adjusts your audio so the loudest peaks are brought to a consistent level without clipping. In most cases, you can leave the default settings. Make sure options like removing DC offset and normalizing peak amplitude are checked, then click OK to apply it. After applying Normalize, play your audio and compare it to the original if possible. You should notice that quiet parts are more balanced and loud peaks are controlled. If your audio still feels uneven, you can combine Normalize with a light compression effect. This helps smooth out volume differences even more, especially for voice recordings. And that's how to normalize audio in Audacity. Just select your track, apply Normalize, and fine-tune if needed. It's a simple step, but it makes your audio sound a lot more polished.